Everyone, this is Darian, and I am going to unbox my Goddess Provisions box for, what's this month? May 2018. I have Meadow here. Meadow, you want to open this box with me? You want to help Mommy? I need to get some... What? I don't know what she said. Do you want to sit on my lap and open the box with me? We were just outside and it's like 80 degrees out, so her face is bright red. Wait a minute. We got to show them. This is what it looks like. So don't mind, that's why she looks very, she's an Irish baby. That's what happens. Okay, let's look at this first. What is it? Let me get the card. Oh, it's a candle. I feel, I am. So root down to rise up. Wait. We got to read this first. Show the camera what it looks like.
Camera?
Yeah, show them what it looks like. Yeah, good job. Open it up. So this is the lilac and willow candle. Light this candle, this beautiful soy candle dressed with flowers and cedar, and let the essential oil blend bring you into your body. Oh, good. You read it. Okay. Ooh, let's show it. Let's give them a close-up. Ooh. Give it a smell. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like summer. I like that. Root down and rise up. I so love that theme. Okay, let's put this down and get our new thing. Here. Okay, let's get one more thing. Go ahead. Ooh. You picked the big one. Okay, what is it? Little Moon Essentials Foot Bath. Ooh. Oh, by the way, the candle is a $12 value. What is it? Blood orange and patchouli. Oh my God, it smells so good. Uh-oh. Little Moon Essentials Foot Bath. Soak your tired feet in this refreshing salt blend. No, we can't open it, but we can show it. Here, we just look at it here. Oh, it's peppermint. Now, can you show it to the camera? It includes castor oil, beet powder. Oh, thank you. They can't see it, though. Okay. Hold on. And peppermint essential oil to feel cool and calm. Also 10% off of your order when you use Goddess 10. I'm showing them. Hold on. I haven't gotten to that yet. Okay, what are you showing now? This looks like citrine. Yep, the stone energizes the solar plexus and sacral chakra. Hold on, we're going to open it. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, this is a $5.50 value. Stone energizes the solar plexus and sacral chakras. Carry it to connect with your personal power and creativity. Here, we're just going to do this. Oh, that's an interesting citrine. Oh my gosh. We're going to hold it close here. Look, let's hold it up close for them. Ooh. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I can actually feel this one. I love how bright and cheery everything is. Oh, I do see. So that's a $4 value. We have this from the same company. What is this called?
That's
Soap Lane. Soap Lane? Is that what it? Oh, it's. So this is massage oil, and it has red jasper. Looks like it's red jasper in it. So here's the. Don't touch it, baby. Don't touch it. Root chakra massage oil. Super cool. You could take it out and put a little bit on your leg. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, all right. Like, give me some of that. Yeah, okay. Oh my. All right, let's read about it. Hold on. Ground yourself with a foot rub. Of course, we just put on our hands and legs. Using this massage balm made with earthy essential oils, including ginger, cyrus. Hold on, baby. vetiver, I don't even know, and patchouli, I don't even know what those are.
Mommy.
Interesting smell.
Mommy.
$26 value. Cool, it's pretty big too. So cool.
Open it.
Okay. Last month, we got this same company for the crown chakra. This is an oil for the solar plexus. Don't open that, baby.
Sorry.
Rub your hands together. See your hands? You got oil on it? We're just going to put the oil over here. Where's this one? Here we go. Kalo Solar Plexus Essence. Apply this essential oil blend. Infused with citrine, the color yellow, sounds and affirmations to clear blockages and energize the solar plexus. Okay, I'll open it. That oil, oh my God, she just got oil all over this. The oil that we got last month from this, it's a $42 value. I love the smell of it. Ooh, smells like oranges. Put it right here. Here, put it on mommy here. Yeah, you roll it. There you go. And then you rub it and you smell it. It smells like orange. All right, don't touch it with your oily hands. All right. That's awesome. And I love, oh my God, I hope that we get all of the chakras. So let me show. She got oil all over it. That's why it's like a frosted glass, but it's not looking so frosted right now. Here's the box. $42 value. I'm digging it. I'm digging the price, the value of these. Okay, what's the next thing? Is this like a necklace or something? What is this? Oh, it's a charm. Violet gray. Show it to them. Show it. This little packaging is super cute. It's like a little envelope. She has oil all over her hands. That's just getting oil all over everything. Okay. Violet gray solar plexus charm. Wear this sterling silver solar plexus charm on your favorite bracelet or necklace. Okay, so it's just the charm. When you want to connect with your inner power and self-confidence. I don't think I have like a necklace to put this on, but we'll see. Let's see. I can't get it open. Here we go. Cute little packaging. Let's see. Ooh, let me see. That's pretty. Okay, this is a $39 value. Whoa, the value of this box, this is probably like the highest value of one of these boxes so far. Can I see? Oh. So, solar plexus chakra, a charm to evoke self-esteem. The affirmation is I can. Oh, are you done? Or you want to sit here? So let me just show you guys what that looks like. Cute. Yes. So, oh, thank you, baby. So I'm assuming like, does whatever necklace just goes through this like triangle here? Let's see.
I found an orange.
You found an orange. You did find an orange. Somebody at Starbucks gave me an orange yesterday.
I did.
A blood orange. So how is this? Oh, it's, yeah. So it's just, oh, that's cute though. So this might look cute on like a little choker. And she's throwing the orange now. So it's just a little like sterling silver charm. And then I would put the necklace like through here. That's cute. I like that. Violet gray. Caring for your niece. Is that what that said? What? You want your shoes off? Okay. Hold on. I got to show everybody all this stuff, okay? Come here, baby. I'll take your shoes off. So we're done opening the box. Meadow made this a very quick unboxing. Oh, I just hit her in the face. Sorry, baby.
Sorry, baby.
She wants her shoes off. Now I just hit myself in the face. Okay. I'm going to show all this stuff as a whole. So if you want one of these boxes for your very self, I think it's a $33 value. It's got all this awesome like woo-woo stuff. There's the citrine. And we get all kinds of different things every month, and it's super awesome. 33 bucks a month. You can click the link. There's all the stuff. You can click the link in the description in order to get your very own Goddess Provisions box. Oh my God, Meadow's throwing fruit. All right, are you going to say bye?
Bye.
Come over here. Come say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So thanks for watching. This is probably the shortest video I've ever created, which is really good for me. Come on, come say bye. Come say bye.
Bye-bye.
Come here. Come up here. You're going to blow kisses? She's gonna
Bye-bye.
That's not what means to blow a kiss. This is blowing a kiss. Look. Mwah. And then you go. So go. Mwah. Good job. Say I love you.
I love you.
She said I love you more.
Way more.
Say have a good day.
Good day.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to either get more unboxings, which I'm going to do more of. I swear to God, I film one every month. I just don't put it up. I just never get around to it, you know? But if you want to see more unboxings, or if you want to get tons and tons and tons of spiritual advice, every single Friday I do new videos where I answer questions that any of you have about life, spirituality, mental health, brain reentrainment, all of that. All right, guys. So sending you love, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.